Hello friends, welcome to chess training. In this third video of beginners course, I will introduce you to the movement of horse or knight. The horse or knight jumps 2.5 steps at a time. So let us see how the horse jumps. See, this horse jumps 2.5 squares. What is he doing? He is walking forward 2 steps and then moving to the right hand. Again 1, 2, half. He moved forward 2 steps and moved to the right hand. 1, 2, half. Again the same thing. And now he comes back 2 steps and moves to the right hand. So see, we have learnt one type of movement. Either the horse goes forward or goes backward and then he moves 1 step on the right hand. Now we shall learn another type of move. This time 1, 2, half. The horse moves 2 steps up and moves to the left hand side. Again 1, 2, half. We moved up 2 steps and moved to the left hand. 1, 2, half. We moved up 2 steps and moved to the left hand. And now the knight comes back 1, 2, half. Comes back and moves to the left hand. And 1, 2, half. Okay friends. So I hope you are understanding these moves. Now let us see another type of movement. In this example, the knight moves 1, 2, half. See what he did. He moved 2 steps to the right hand and then went up 1 step. 1, 2, half. Again 1, 2, half. And now what does knight do? He moves 2 steps to the left hand and goes 1 step forward. Again he goes 2 steps to the left hand and 1 step forward. 1, 2, half. And again 1, 2 and half. So friends, I hope you are understanding how the knight is moving. Let's now learn another movement of knight. He is moving to the backward side. Either he moves to left hand side or right hand side and then he moves to the back side. 1, 2 and half. Again 1, 2, half. 1, 2, half. 1, 2, half. 1, 2 and half. 1, 2 and half. And again 1, 2 and half. So many a times what happens is parents ask me one question: how should we teach the movement of knight to the young kids? This happens especially with the young kids, that they are not able to grasp sometimes the movement of knight or horse. So what you can do is arrange the pawns in front of them in such a way that their knight will be able to capture one pawn by moving 2.5 squares. If you keep giving them this practice for 2 or 3 days, they learn the movement of knight clearly. So let's now move to the next example. 1, 2, half. He went forward 2 steps and moved to the right hand. Again he moves 1, 2, half. 2 step forward, 1 step on right hand. 1, 2, half. And now we see what has happened is in this position we are not able to capture the pawn in the next step. See 1, 2, half. 1, 2, half. Say 1, 2, half. There is no pawn in the range of the knight. 1, 2, half. and now again 1 2 half, 1 2 half, and again 1 2 and half. Another example, 1 2 half, he moved left 2 steps to left hand and then came back. 1 2 half, 1 2 half, he goes at a distance of 2.5 square to the black pawn. Now 1 2 half, again he comes back, 1 2 half. Now the black pawn is in the range of white knight. 1 2 half, 1 2 half, goes to attack the pawn, and finally 1 2 half. So friends, if you watch this video even again and again, you will be able to understand how the knight moves. The knight has one special power. He can jump above the head of either our pieces or the opponent's pieces. So friends, I hope you are learning something from my videos. If you are liking my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you and have a very nice day. Thank you so much.